Tired of Ubuntu? Let's roll back those changes and get your computer back to how it was. First things first, we'll need to understand where Ubuntu lives. This means looking at your hard drive's partitions. We'll want to identify the specific partition as Ubuntu is installed on this code, involved using utilities like your computer's built-in partition manager or a live environment from a bootable USB or disk. Make sure you had any critical data backed up before touching anything else. If you want to return to an older operating system that was previously installed, perhaps Windows, you should insert your installation media during the setup. Choose the custom install, allowing you to format the Ubuntu partitions you identified earlier. When selecting where to install Windows, select the partition you formatted and proceed through the installation. Once Windows is installed, you may need to repair your computer's bootloader. You can either do this through the Install Media. The Install Media's repair option will find and address some common boot issues, or through more advanced methods in the operating system, using command line tools to rewrite your bootloader, ensuring Windows boots without issue. Now, here's a crucial warning: removing partitions can lead to data loss. Be absolutely certain you've identified the correct partitions, double-checked your work, and have a backup if needed. It's all about being prepared and making smart decisions. After restoring the previous operating system and the bootloader is good, you may be back where you started. You've successfully returned your operating system to its previous state. Now, you can enjoy your computer as it once was.